So I just took a trade on the 15 index 1 second, and I want to explain to you guys what made me to take this particular trade right now. As you can see, let me show you. It has not been like 2 hours that I released a video of the other trade that I took on, was it volatility 10 index 1 second, but I saw this one now. I first of all missed the trade, but I checked it out now and saw that I can take a trade again in it in the volatility 15 index. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how I analyzed it and why I think this is a good trade for me to take. So first of all, look at this trade, it's still going down. Look at the way I analyzed to go into the trade last night here. Here is where I analyzed. Here's the other block that I marked out. Then here is where I'm supposed to go into the trade, but one thing led to another. It was like yesterday or the day before yesterday night that I did this analysis. But one thing led to another, so I didn't enter inside of it because of I was currently on another trade on volatility 10 in there. So I was focusing to get an entry there. That's why I didn't see this one. So I reconfirmed another entry here that made me to enter this trade. Now here is my stop loss, and I'll explain to you why I entered this trade and the reason behind it and my strategy in full. But please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Uh, like this video is very important. It helps me to grow. Leave any question you have in the comment section below, and very soon I'll be trading for my subscribers. I'll just be asking you for your this thing, your and I'll ask you for trading this thing. Then I'll help you to trade your account free of charge. And there's some giveaways coming up only for my active subscribers. So guys, let me just continue with this video and show you what made me to take a sell here. So this is it. When you come over to the daily time frame, you guys should know that's where I normally start. So this is a downtrend on a daily time frame, just like you guys are seeing here. Volatility 15 1 second is on a downtrend. So once I identified this, I went to the 4 hours time frame. Then I mapped out the key zones in the market. Like I explained before, the key zones in the market is where price came in and buy more than once or twice in the market. Understand? Where price came in and buy or sell more than once or twice in the market, that is the key zone. So let me map out some of the key zone in the market. As you can see now, here price came here and bounced up, serve as support, bought, it's also bought here, bounced up here, came down here and broke this, and after the test, after retesting here, price started selling. He retested here and sold, and come back here and sold again, and come back here and sold again. So here is a very valid key point in the market. So another key point in the market that I mapped out is this particular one. As you can see, price served as a support here, support. So here is another key point that I mapped out. It has served as a support here and a support over here, as you can see here. So once I saw all these things, I mapped out those 2 key points. So when I come over to the 1 hour time frame, let me light this thing now. Hope you guys are seeing this thing very well. So when I come over to the 1 hour time frame, I saw that this is my initial analysis. I saw that there is a key order block here, although it's not it's not a high quality order block, but it's also a good order block. I saw there's another block here, so I mapped it out. After mapping it out, I waited for a price to come and test it, but I didn't enter here because of I missed the trade. I was focused on other things. So now I just came this evening now. And saw another order block here. Since I missed there, this is another block that I identify in this market. So I saw some confirmation that made me to enter it, which I will be explaining to you right away. So once I'm after this other block and I saw that price have come down and retest this other block with this key point in the market that price retest, and it formed a kind of a double bottom here in the 1 hour. So I decided to look up for some confirmation. So once I got to the 15 minutes time frame, let me reduce this a little bit. So once I came to the 15 minutes time frame, I saw that price have broken some structures here. Understand? Look at the structure that price have broken. If I was in this, if I was active, I would have, once price broke this here, but it still did something, I would have entered the trade immediately. But I wasn't active then. I was still analyzing the market. So let me come to the 5 minutes and explain to you. Look at how the price came. Look at how price came in and broke here. It first of all broke here, then it came down and broke here again. This break of structure. So once I saw this break of structure, I knew that price will start selling. So I waited for the candle to completely close and give. I saw this thing now. I just think maybe want to give a test, but after I saw this bullish hammer, once I saw this bullish, I know that the price will start selling. So I waited for this candle to start forming and see what it wants to do, and I saw the candle was a bearish candle, so I have to enter the trade here, and I put my stop loss over here. Look at it. My stop loss is over here. So here is going to be my first TP. Yeah, is my first TP. Here is my second TP. So if we go 15 minutes, you see more TPs. Here is my third, fourth, and fifth TP. So we are waiting for this market to sell really hard, and I will update you as we go. I might do a video about this market, or I just go other analysis. So, but look at how I got this very, very good sell. As you can see, guys, this my analysis works every time. It works every time. All you need to do is to study it. If you have any question, leave in the comment section below, and I might be leaving my number in the description box below so that you can chat me up and ask me any question you have about this particular analysis, and I'll help you out. I might see you in my next video. I will continue this video later. See how far this have sold. Don't mind the candle. I have to change it because some of you complained in the last video that I did that they are not seeing it well. So I don't know, but I've changed some settings in my this thing in the screen recording app. I think it have corrected, but I have to change the candle color so that it will be more visible for you guys. I made it to be black. So this thing, since I sold Volatility 15 index, I've been selling since then. Look at it. I sold from here, if you can remember, somewhere here, and the market have just it did a little retracement, I think. Then it have started selling. I got into my TPs. I am just coming back from my evening walk now. I'm just coming back from my evening walk, so it have gone to my, like I said that time I told you that somewhere here was first and second TP. Is doing a little reverse. Look at it, it's reversing a little bit, but I know that after this to still start coming down. So I just want to give you guys an update about it. So I think I'll be ending the video now. I don't want it to be more longer. So here is where I expect my final TP to be in this particular trade, somewhere here. So here is where I expect it to be. So once it gets there, I'll just somewhere here. It have already reached this here, so I'm expecting it to get to. Let me copy this thing, and this is my final TP here. This is my final TP. So this is my first, second, third, fourth, and fifth TP. I have 5 TPs. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I want to say something now. I think some of you guys think that for you to subscribe, you need it is money. You need to be paying money. No, 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 no. Subscription is very free. Just the reason you are subscribing is just number one is for you to whenever I release a new video, you will see it. Number one, and number two, it helps me to grow. It helps me to grow. It helps this video to push to more people that need it, so that YouTube will see, you see that people that are subscribed, people are watching the video that are subscribed. Please guys subscribe. It costs you literally nothing to subscribe to a YouTube channel. It doesn't eat your data. It doesn't require any money from you. Please, I will do appreciate you if you really subscribe to this particular channel. I only have 6 subscribers. Why is that? Why is that? It's not good now. Please help me out and get me to 1,000 subs at least. Please, I'm begging you guys. As you can see, like I said, this thing is reversing now. So I'm expecting to reverse it to get my final TP. Alright guys, please remember to always trade like a pro, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.